If you want to make money with your YouTube channel, then this video is for you. Most of you think that, oh, I first need to get 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time so I can join the YouTube partner program and start making some ad revenue, right? Stop chasing that. Ad revenue is a terrible way to make money. Let's talk about why you should stop chasing ad revenue. Reason number one, it is very hard to reach the YouTube monetization requirements. Just to start growing on YouTube, you need to post consistently, once a week, twice a week, maybe even more than that, for a very long time. You need to put a high effort to your videos. You need to find great video ideas, put some hours to create a great content, video editing, and lots of other things to keep your audience's attention, keep them longer watch your video, get more clicks, and so on. Reason number two is low payment. Let's say you put a high effort and reached the monetization requirements. Does that mean that you finally start making money? Let's see. YouTube ad revenue pays for 1000 views on average $3. That means if you want to make, let's say, $3,000, you need to get at least 1 million views every single month so you can start making maybe $3,000 and above. Short videos are excluded because short views pay a lot less than $3. I think on average you get around 15 cents per 1000 short views. So if you exclude the short views, you need to get 1 million views of your long form content just to make $3,000. And 1 million views is even difficult for, let's say, mid-sized channels with like 50,000 subscribers and above. Even they struggle to reach that many views every single month. Maybe if you are lucky, you can get 100,000 views per month, but then you will make only around $300. That was the case exactly for my older channel. It was getting 100,000 views per month, but only making $300 at most. So we stop chasing ad revenue. And now you will say that if we stop chasing ad revenue, then how do we make money? Sell something or teach something. YouTube is not just an entertainment platform. It can also be used for marketing. If used correctly, you can generate multiple income streams from your content without relying on ad revenue. To help you understand this process better, I created a YouTube monetization guide. It breaks down everything step by step so you can understand how to make money without a large following. You can download it from the link below. And if you need more details about this system and how it works, then check out the full video.